This mechanics tool set from Klutch is a complete professional set that includes over 245 pieces, giving you everything you need for your garage or shop. It features extended half-inch socket sizes, extra long combination wrenches, and quick-release ratchets, plus 6-point and 12-point sockets with a polished chrome finish and high-visibility markings for easy reading. It also includes 14 nut driver bits, 22 hex keys, 9 screwdriver bits, 7 extensions, and a magnetic driver handle. It all fits neatly in a portable tool chest. Surface drive technology on the sockets and combination wrench box ends virtually eliminate the rounding of fasteners. Each piece is constructed of durable chrome vanadium steel, and it's all backed by a lifetime guarantee. Tackle any job in your garage or shop with this professional 245-piece mechanics tool set from Klutch.